Hello friends, let's start with business and financial market update. India's Joyalukkas has withdrawn its 23 billion rupee initial public offering, that is IPO, with a jewellery retailer saying it needed more time to incorporate substantial changes to its financial results. The company plans to refile its IPO document at the earliest, subject to market conditions. Chief Executive Baby George told Reuters on Tuesday without elaborating further. Joyalukkas, which focuses mainly on Southern India, is the latest to delay or pull its IPO plans amid market volatility and stubbornly high inflation. Indian e-commerce firm Snapdeal pulled its $152 million IPO in December amid a meltdown in tech stocks, while wearable electronics companies bought in October decided to raise funds from existing investors rather than go ahead with a planned IPO. The primary market is still very much in a dry state unless this global economic condition settles, said Prashant Tapsi, a research analyst at Mehta Equities. Joyalukkas filed its IPO paper last March and planned to use 14 billion rupees of the proceeds to repay or prepay debt, while the rest was earmarked to open new showrooms and for general corporate purposes. It was originally scheduled to announce the IPO date in early 2023. Moving on, investment banking outfit Pantomath Financial Services has acquired a 37.2% stake in broking firm Asit C Mehta. The acquisition was done through its arm, ClickTrade Stockbrokers. In November 2022, ClickTrade has acquired 17.1% stake through an open offer. It later acquired an additional 7.7% in December 2022 and another 10% this month. With this, ClickTrade has become a co-promoter in the firm. Shares of Asit C Mehta was last trading 4% higher at Rs 145.35. In a release, Pantomath said the acquisition cost is around 151.4 rupees per share. Asit C Mehta is an over 4-decade-old broking firm, while Pantomath has been a leading investment bank on the SME platform. The traditional brokering space has seen a few M&A deals recently. In November 2022, Amisha Vora, co-owner and joint managing director of Prabhudas Leeladhar PL Group, has increased her stake in company from 24% to 96%. She acquired the stakes of partners Arun Sheth, Dhiran Sheth and Dilip Bhatt. Moving on, Adani Enterprises will review its plan to build a coal to polyvinyl chloride PVC plant in Mundra, Gujarat. The Empowered Group will also not make any significant bids to road projects. Further, it will also moderate certain accelerations budgeted in its earlier capex plans but will continue with the investment plans for its core infrastructure businesses. In relation to the coal to PVC, this is one of our new commitments and we will review that commitment post settlement of this volatility period. For the time being, we will not make any commitments to new projects, Jugeshender Singh, Group CFO at Adani Group, said in an early post-earnings call. Committed projects are continuing as per schedule, he said, adding the company will not make any new commitments until the volatility is settled. The company has planned to build a 2 million ton per annum coal to PVC plant in Mundra, Gujarat, with an investment of $4 billion. The project was expected to produce PVC grades such as suspension PVC resin, chlorinated PVC and emulsion PVC. AEL said in its submission to the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change in 2021. Moving on, the National Stock Exchange (NSE) on Tuesday extended the trading hours for interest rate derivatives to 5 p.m. The said change will be effective from February 23. At present, the contracts are traded between 9 a.m. to 3:30. This move by NSE is amid to converging with underlying markets timing, the exchange said in a circular. Contracts of the expiry month February 2023 will be available for trading till 5 p.m. on expiry date, that is February 23, 2023. There shall be no change in the trading hours for other interest rate derivatives contracts, the circular notified. It further stated that all existing expiry contracts with the expiry day beyond February 23, 2023 and all new expiry contracts introduced thereafter shall be made available for trading till 5 p.m. on expiry date. There shall be no change in CP code modification and give up timings, and same will continue till 5:30 p.m. with trade. The NSE circular further said that there shall be no change in final settlement price computation mechanism and it will be calculated based on last 2 hours of VWAP of NDS on trades, subject to minimum of 5 trades. Moving on, Asian Development Bank, that is ADB President Masatsugu Asakawa met PM Narendra Modi on Tuesday and discussed India's development priorities. After the meeting, Asakwa tweeted, "An honor to meet PM Modi and discuss ADB's intention to support India's fast, inclusive and green growth with up to $25 billion over the next 5 years. India is fast emerging as global economic powerhouses," he tweeted. Moving on, NCLAT concluded hearing of petition filed by lenders of debt trader Reliance Capital and reserved its order. The petition sought a second round of financial bids for the firm currently undergoing insolvency resolution. While lenders argued intent of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is to maximize asset value, Mukul Rohtangi, represent Torrent Investment, said focus should be on the revival. Moving on, SpiceJet Limited on Tuesday said it will hold a meeting on February 24 to discuss options for raising fresh capital through the issue of eligible securities to qualified institutional buyers. The announcement comes after former SpiceJet promoter Kalanithi Meran rejected the one-time settlement offer made by the airline. The airline will also consider issuing shares on a preferential basis. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.